we're filming, we're filming, we're filming, we're filming, we're filming. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I'm in kind of a weird mood today, so just roll with it, alright? So, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be testing out this baby. Oh my god, I'm so freaking cute! Ooh. It's actually kind of small, little baby bottle. Let's see, there's only 25 milliliters, so there's 0.85 fluid ounces. Let's check NARS. Let's see, because this is a pretty fatty bottle. Okay, so yeah, this is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. So this has a little bit less. It's got like 5 milliliters less in this than my NARS. But this was actually $12 and this was $49. Oh, why are you so expensive? But it's such a beautiful freaking foundation. Oh my gosh. But I did get the concealer because on their website you can go and you can get your face like how am I gonna tell you? You can tell them your undertones and they'll try to match you with the right foundation because obviously you can't go into the store and check out like what color is yours, which is the only shitty thing that I don't really like buying stuff online is because that's the way it is, you know what I mean? You can't go in there and you can't actually test your color and you can't actually see what's gonna work for you and like what's not gonna work for you. You kind of just have to take their advice. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna test it out. And we're gonna see if it looks party because I know a bunch of you guys want to see what it looks like. So I want to throw my hair back. My ghetto. Oh, it's so ghetto. Look at it. It's got little danglies. Oh, it's so cute. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I'm gonna come in and I'll probably do one check-in during the day. And then I'll do like my final check-in at night and I'll let you guys know how it wore, the finish, and if I like it because I am a pretty oily girl. My face is usually really super oily, like right here, my nose, my upper lip, my chin. Dude, I sweat and I get oily so bad. So this is supposed to be a natural matte finish. So we're going to test that theory. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the foundation on one side of my face and then I'm going to leave the other side unset because I want to see like how oily it gets. Or maybe I should just not set it at all. What should I do? What should I do, guys? What should I do? I don't know. I think I'm going to do one side set and one side not because I'm just going to put the primer and everything on both sides because I just don't think that, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to do that. All right, so I just got done with my primer and we're going to put on the foundation and I'm going to use a sponge on one side because I've been really curious about doing this. Honestly, because I see other YouTubers do it. I'm like, that's a good idea. I'm have to try that out. So I'm going to use one brush on one side. So this is the Morphe Y7. And I want to make something clear with you guys. Morphe has really freaking irritated me lately, okay? Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. And honestly, I don't even want to be associated with that brand at all. But unfortunately, I was subscribed to Morphe Me for almost 2 years. So I have tons of Morphe brushes. And I'm not going to lie, their brushes, they don't suck. Their brushes are actually really good and they're good for the price. And that's the only thing that I can say that's good about Morphe is that they have good brushes. And unfortunately, I don't have the bank account to just go buy a whole new set of brushes because I don't like the brand. That's kind of stupid, you know what I mean? So I'm going to continue using the brushes. I hate even saying the fucking name in my videos, but what I can say is that they're trying to redeem themselves. And I don't think it's because it's in their heart and it's good. I think it's because they got freaking caught. And it is what it is, you know what I mean? And which that sucks, and I will never be supporting that freaking brand. I won't purchase any more brushes from them, and I definitely won't be purchasing any of their makeup until I can see a full turnaround from Linda, because I know she's sketchy and she loves her money, and it's apparently really rubbing off on Jaclyn, and that really sucks because I mean, that just sucks, you know? Like, why stoop to that level? Why do that to your fans? Why do that to your supporters? Like, oh, I don't know. Anyways, off track. We're going for the foundation. Okay, let's go. All right, so here we go. I'll scoot in a little bit more so you guys can see what's really going on up in this face? Can you guys see all my imperfections? I have scars, like I have scarring right here, I have a fresh little pimple right there, and I have like a really bad scar. That's actually from my own thumbnail, dude. I was like doing something, I was going to like do something with my hair, and I was like, like raked my forehead with my freaking nails, dude, because my nails, they're not like, they're not short, but they're not long, you know what I mean? But they're scratchy, like they'll get you if you let them. Like I scratched my neck earlier today. Is there a fucking mark? I always do that. I always scratch myself for some reason. Anyway, so yeah, I have lots of hyperpigmentation, you know what I mean? It's always darker right here. And sometimes what I like to do is take a peach corrector for your face, and I'll like to go over these areas because I do tend to get like real ashy and like kind of dark right here around these areas. But I'm not going to do that today with this foundation because I just want to see how it looks by itself. You never know, maybe it's like freaking amazing. And I waited, I have not even like, I just scored it out a little bit because I wanted to see what the color was. And that's what like initially scared me because I don't know what's going to be like color. So we're just going to do it. I'm going to do this side with a sponge, and I'm going to do this side with a brush. Okay, ready? Boop. That was one pump. 2 pumps. Okay, that's the color. It's kind of runny a little bit. I hope it doesn't oxidize like crazy. Alright guys, here we go. Oh yeah. That is dark. Wow. That blended out like nothing. That was like butter, dude. Do you see that? Like that's so pretty. Like, and that could be my color. Like I think it's like not so thick to where it made it, the color stand out so pronouncedly like different on my face, you know? It was kind of like it's kind of a thinner formula. Oh, but it's so pretty. Like you can tell that this looks super dewy. Like on this side, you can see like right here, the light kind of hits my face and stuff like that. If you look at this side compared to this side, you know, wow. And that was with a sponge too. This is like sheer coverage. This is like, I could definitely build this up to be a lot more full coverage. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's go to the brush because I really want to see what a brush looks like. If the sponge looks so good. I always love sponges though. And I probably will always love sponges more. But yeah, let's do 2 pumps. I don't know, that may seem like a lot to some people, but I like that coverage. Ooh. Ooh, that's way more full coverage on with a brush. So there's the brush side, and that's the sponge side. This side's way more full coverage and it's got way more color. You know, when that happens, you got to bring that shit down your neck. You don't want it to be looking crazy. Let's bring some over there. Wow. I like it. This side's definitely a little bit darker though because, like I said, with the sponge, it's going to be a little bit more sheer. But I like it. Okay, let's see. What should I do? 1 pump for the forehead, and then I'll smooth it out. I'm just going to do my forehead with the brush, and then I'll smooth it out with a sponge. What? And I don't even like really like foundations. Like I don't ever think they like look like, oh, they look so good. You know what I mean? Because they normally like on camera, like your foundation obviously doesn't look like that kind of like cakey a little bit kind of thing. And that's usually what all my foundations look like. Like that's just the way it is. You know, foundation is just an extra layer of cream or liquid that's going on your face, so it's not going to be like the smoothest, you know. But wow, this is so smooth. I really like this foundation. That's so weird. I hope it holds up actually through the day, because that would be so cool. Because this would be a super, super, like really, really good everyday foundation. Oh my gosh, I really like it. What do you guys think? It evened out like my texture, makes me look like my face is like more like one color. I like it. I like the finish of it a lot. I think it's so pretty. Oh, cool. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. So next, what we're going to do is try the concealer. Now I want to see. I really want to test it out. I want to try my Tarte on one eye, and I want to try this one on one eye because I want to see. I know the colors are going to be like way off, but I want to also see what's the coverage like, if it can compete to my tape, my shape tape. All right, so I'm going to go in with light medium on this. Wait, was it this eye? Either way, whatever. Okay, I'll do this eye. No, I'm going to do this eye with Tarte. I don't know why, because that's usually the eye I start with. Okay. See, I just love that color. It's got like a slight beigey, kind of like yellow undertone. So easy to blend out. Like, what? I know this isn't about Tarte, but like, wow, that concealer, it just blows me away. Okay, so medium 24 in Colourpop. Let's try it out, shall we? Okay, this is what it looks like. A little thingy. So there's my Tarte eye, and that's Colourpop. Dude, they look like almost the same. But let's see. See, because I have like little tiny baby lines. Like, I don't even call those like wrinkles or anything. Those are just like fine lines or some shit. But I just do that. And then usually when you set underneath your eye really quick, it'll just go away. Go ahead and set my under eyes on one side. I'm going to use my Kat 1D. It's going to go into the yellow and that white color. Oh, just dipped into the freaking contour. That's what I hate about these being so small, is I always do that. Okay. Now I'm going to set the Shape Tape side. I'm not going to set that side. Okay, so that is the foundation and the concealer. So this is the initial application. This is what it looks like. I think it's so pretty. I'll take pictures too, because I know this camera is not the easiest to like see the actual like look. I have like hairs, fuzzies. Hey guys, so I'm back for the second check-in. What time is it? I think it's 3:17, so I'm a little bit earlier than I wanted to. I wanted to do it like around 4, but this is a good time. And today's been honestly not the best day. There's been some shit that's happened today that's been kind of extremely stressful, but I don't really want to go into that. But my foundation, the foundation looks beautiful, you guys. Like, it's holding up so well. And I've been going through it today. I've cried at least 4 different times today. I've been itching, I've been like wiping, trying to like not mess up my makeup and stuff like that, but it's been kind of hard. But if you look at my face, it still looks actually really good, and I'm actually really surprised about that, because I totally thought I was gonna come look in the mirror and my face was gonna be freaking ruined. But no, it looks beautiful still. I'm actually really, really liking it. Everything is still pretty. There's no patchiness. I'm actually not that oily, believe it or not. It's kind of crazy, because which side did I not set? I'm pretty sure. Oh, I set this side. Okay, so I set this side and I left this one not set. and it's looking just as pretty as the other side. I'd have to say maybe it's rubbed off a little tiny bit on my nose area. I'm a little bit shiny right through here, but all in all, I think it's beautiful and it's been holding up actually really well. So yay, I'm actually really excited about that. All right, you guys, I'm going to come back in tonight. Actually, tonight is my giveaway, so I'm going to be going live and we're going to be picking the giveaway winner tonight. So I'm so excited about that. But anyways, okay, I gotta go get everything ready for that. And then yeah, I'll be back to check in probably like around probably 10 because the live is gonna be at 8 o'clock tonight. So I'm gonna probably do my last check-in probably at like 10 or like 9, something like that. Depends. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I love you guys so much. Bye guys. Alrighty guys, I'm back. And this is gonna be the last check-in because as you can see, your girl's looking kinda a little bit greasy through the T-zone, if you can see. But to be fair, I really think that this is a good foundation because today was a rough one, and yeah, today's just not been a very good day. And I gave my dog a bath. I chased my daughter around freaking basically all day long. And the foundation, honestly, it still looks really good for being the end of the day. You know, I'm kind of oily through here, but I haven't blotted. I haven't put any powder on my face at all or nothing like that. So I have to say that I am actually really pleasantly surprised with this foundation. I think it's beautiful. I think the color was actually a really good match for me because I am getting darker because it's the summer. It's warmer out now. So yeah, I think I really do like it, you guys. I'm gonna have to actually probably just wear it a couple more times just to be like 100% sure if I like it or not. But from just what I can see from today, I actually really like it. So let's just put some powder like over top of that and see if we can take that shine so I can show you guys. And just throw some powder. See that? It's just gonna take like that super shininess away. So you can see like you just put a little bit of powder on there and that's gonna take the shininess right away. All in all, I think it's a great, great foundation. I would definitely have to say that I would recommend it to all of you guys if you guys want to go ahead and pick it up. I think it's beautiful. I would just definitely make sure that because they have like a shade thing where it helps you match your kind of shades. So definitely figure out what your undertone is because that's what's really going to help you on their site. Um, and also for the concealer, I got the medium 24. I actually really like this concealer. My eyes don't look, you can't really see my dark circles like peeking through at all really, and I like that a lot. So yeah, I like it. I really do like it. I like the concealer, I like the foundation. We're good to go. So that's gonna, I guess, conclude the all day wear test. Oh my god, it's my first video ever doing like this, so it's kind of cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go edit this video and I'll have it up for you guys tomorrow. All right, I love you guys.